Hello student, welcome to online chemistry class. Today we discuss part 2 of chapter 1 standard 10 science. In standard 9 you already know how the atoms are combined to form molecule and how the different molecule combine each other to form product. Okay, in today's lecture we discuss type of chemical reaction, how the different molecule and atoms combine to form product. Okay, so our first type is combination reaction. So what is combination reaction? First of all, so combination reaction means when two reactant combine to form single product. Such type of reaction is known as combination reaction. Remember the general equation of combination reaction, that is A plus B gives C. If you find this type of reaction that two reactants are combined and form a single product, such type of reaction is known as combination reaction. Let's perform one activity in which calcium oxide, that is our reactant A, react with water, that is reactant B, to form calcium oxide, that is our product C. Okay, let's write this chemical equation, that calcium oxide, the another name of calcium oxide is CaO, quicklime. Okay, when it react with water it form CaOH twice, that is slag lime. Formula of slag lime is CaOH twice. Remember the formula of quicklime is CaO. So when quicklime react with water it form calcium hydroxide and it evolves heat. Okay, so when there is a evolution of heat, such reaction is known as exothermic reaction. Okay, अगर आप कोई केमिकल रिएक्शन कर रहे हो और उसमें एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस हो रही है तो उसको हम प्रोडक्ट की साइड लिखते हैं और उस रिएक्शन को एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन कहते हैं. आफ्टर दिस रिएक्शन द टेम्परेचर ऑफ दिस रिएक्शन इज मोर, द टेम्परेचर ऑफ रिएक्शन सिस्टम इज मोर. ओके, in this reaction see, heat is not product in this reaction. So remember this, only one product is formed during this reaction. Now remember, for MCQ or fill in the blanks, that solution of slag lime produced by reaction of 1.13, okay, that we discuss here. CaO plus H2O gives CaOH twice plus heat. This reaction is used for whitewashing walls. Okay, we know when we build a new house we paint them, we whitewash them by this, that is calcium hydroxide. Okay, now let's see another example. See here, burning of coal. Okay, coal contain carbon. When carbon burn in presence of oxygen it form carbon dioxide. So this is also combination reaction in which two reactants are react and form one product. Another reaction are combination of hydrogen and oxygen gas. When hydrogen gas react with oxygen gas, it produce water. Okay, this is also a combination reaction. See here, A plus B gives C type of reaction happens. In simple language, what is the definition of combination reaction? So, when two or more substance, element or compound combine to form single product, such reaction are called combination reaction. Okay. If now what is exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction? So, when during the reaction heat is evolved, this makes the reaction mixture warm. This type of reaction is known as exothermic reaction. Means a reaction in which heat is evolved or produced. Such type of reaction is known as exothermic reaction. The example of exothermic reaction is CH4 plus 2O2, means burning of natural gas gives carbon dioxide and 2H2O. It is the example of exothermic reaction. 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O plus heat, also exothermic reaction. Calcium oxide with water forms slack lime. It is also exothermic reaction. Now, there is one question. Can we consider respiration as exothermic reaction? Yes, it is exothermic reaction. How? So here is the answer, that why we take food? To survive. And what? Survive as energy. Okay. So when we eat food, the food get digest in our system and it convert into simpler substance, carbohydrate. Okay. For example, rice, potatoes, bread contain carbohydrates. They break down into glucose and another simple carbohydrates, which combine with oxygen in a cell and provide energy. So what happened in respiration? That C6H12O6, the glucose from rice, potatoes and bread react with oxygen of our blood and form energy, water and carbon dioxide, which we remove from our body, carbon dioxide which we remove from our body during respiration. Okay. So here energy is produced. That's why respiration is considered as exothermic reaction. The decomposition of vegetable matter. So decomposition of vegetable matter into compost is also an example of exothermic reaction. Now let's discuss second type of chemical reaction, that is decomposition reaction. It is reverse of combination reaction. Means here what happen? One reactant react to gives more than one product. That here two products are from one reactant. See here, one activity is given that when ferrous sulfate crystal, that is FeSO4, heated, it form ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. In this green color of FeSO4, the color of ferrous sulfate are green. So it change its color from green to brown, brownish red or brown. Okay, so in this reaction physical change occur. Also there is some characteristic smell of sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. In this reaction we can observe that single reactant are react. 2FeSO4 is single reactant which react and decompose into ferric oxide, that is Fe2O3, and sulfur dioxide SO2 and sulfur trioxide 3 oxide SO3. Here our reactant are in solid state while product are solid as well as in gaseous state. Another examples are decomposition of calcium carbonate. When calcium carbonate, which is also known as limestone, when decomposed in presence of heat, it form calcium oxide, which is known as quicklime, and carbon dioxide. Another example of decomposition is decomposition of lead nitrate, that is PbNO3 twice. So when lead nitrate decompose in presence of heat, it form lead oxide and nitrogen oxide plus oxygen gas. So here more than one products, 3 products are from one reactant. So this type of reaction is known as decomposition reaction. Here one reactant gives more than one product, it may be 2, 3, 4. Okay, now another example, that when silver chloride AgCl placed in a china porcelain dish, then due to presence or due to sunlight, the color of silver chloride is changed. The color of silver chloride first is grey, it is grey in color, but after absorption of sunlight it become silver in color. Okay, so it is also decomposition reaction of silver chloride in which grey color of AgCl convert into Ag, that is silver in color. Same way silver bromide in presence of sunlight broken into silver and bromide. So these are also example of decomposition reaction. Now there is some question, you have to solve this question.